Hi everyone, Andrea here from Next Tool Dev Tip, and today we are going to show you how to create a custom function using the SupaEasy code editor. Because there are situations when you want to create a tailor-made function specific for your store. In this video, we will see how to create a discount based on specific market, and we will provide a 5% discount to a specific market and 15% discount to another market. But let's take a look on how to do it into SupaEasy. So let's take a look on how to create this market-based discount. So first thing first, you need to click on the editor link into SupaEasy to access the custom code editor. Then you need to click on create function, select a discount function, and then select product discount function because we want to create a product discount. Let's give this discount a title, for example, this discount will work differently based on market ID. Then let's verify that we have the market ID into our function input. And as you can see right here, we have it. So it's provided and we can use it to apply our discount. So here, what we will do is provide a different discount based on different discount value based on the selected market. So let's first check our market ID, retrieve it into a variable. Is when you use the code editor into SupaEasy, you are suggested with available variables that are into the function input. So right here we have under input, under shop, it's not shop, it's localization, that market, then we have the ID. Perfect. So let's, for example, init a discount value that is equal to 0% discount. Okay. And let's make a switch based on the market ID. So we will have the market ID right here, and case, let's say that the market ID is equal to this value, and I will tell you how to retrieve the correct market ID and in a while. But remember to provide the global ID of the market and not just the ID like this. We need to provide, well, you could also do it. We will use a different function in JavaScript, but yeah, like this is easier for us. So let's do like this, and let's say that let's do this only for two markets. So like this, and then as default, we want to just break and do nothing. Okay, so we have this one, and if we are in this market right here, our discount value will be equal to 5%. Otherwise, in this other market right here, our discount value will be 15%. Let's save it and leave it here for a second. Well, it's not needed. We just need to click on settings into Shopify to access the market section into the Shopify admin. So let me check. Perfect. And here, for example, when you click on the specific market, you get the ID in the URL address bar. So for the Italy market, we have this specific ID right here that I copied, and I will paste it here. And let's take, for example, the international market, North America, that is another ID. So for Italian market, we will provide 5% discount. We want to incentivize customers from international markets. We will provide the 15% discount. Now this is the output that we need to provide to Shopify to apply the discount. So what we are going to do now is push a discount object into our result with all the products, but with dynamic discount value. So we will iterate through all the cut lines. For each line, perfect. What we are going to do is pushed into our result object, a discount object. If you want to verify or to check how is the shape of the object that we need to provide as an output to the function, just click on function result, as you can see right here. And so the object needs to have a message, targets, and a value. So here we can just provide the same. That will be a message. That will be a discount on market. And let's provide the market ID. So let's change it a little bit like this. Yeah. This is our message. Then we need to provide the value. That at this point, let's check again the documentation of Shopify. We can close this one. And yeah, sorry, this one. So the value could be a fixed amount discount or a percentage discount. We want to apply a percentage discount. So we need to provide this object right here with a value that at this point will be discount value. And finally, we need to provide the targets of our discount. And let's take a look how is the shape of the target. It's a product variant. So it's an array with an ID, product variant with ID, that at this point will be line.merchandise.id, and a quantity that is the quantity of the product into the cart. So it's this one, and then line.quantity. Yeah, okay, let's save it. And let's check if it works as expected. So let's go onto our store. We have something already into our cart. As you can see now, I'm getting this discount because we are on this market. That let's take a look at. We still have another discount active, so let me disable it for a second. Oh, no, it's just maybe we need just to, yeah, here it is. So as you can see, we are getting now the discount based on this market because we are in Italy. So in Italy, we said that we want to get the 5% discount, and the 5% of 40 is just 2. So it's working as expected. And if we switch, for example, to United States, you will see that the discount is 15%, and also the message is changed. So this is how to create custom functions using the function editor into SupaEasy. And let's take a look again to make a little recap of our function. So we accessed the market ID. We did a little switch right here, and we provided the Shopify with our object result that contains a discounts key with an array of discounts. And okay, that's it. So this is how to create custom functionality using the code editor into SupaEasy. Let me know if you have any other question. Provide us feedback or comments, and let's see you in the next video. Thank you.